Why did I buy so much? Let's open them. Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a haul video. I haven't done a haul in a minute, and those are my most requested videos ever. I think because like I've built my YouTube channel on hauls, so it's like very much me. And a lot of people don't do hauls on YouTube anymore. It's very much like TikTok coded or like Reels, and you guys still really not the millennial joke, like them. So I have two things that I haven't opened yet from Amazon, and then I have a few other things that I've purchased online. Is this haul online? This is just like an online shopping haul. Okay, let's get it. Okay guys, so the very first thing I got on Amazon, Austin opened it because he wanted to make sure it's his because we order so much on Amazon. I was trying to find this in stores because it was all over my feed on like TikTok and YouTube, and I needed it, and it wasn't in, I don't know if it's just not in Canada or if it just wasn't in the stores I was going to. I went to Walmart, I went to Shoppers, I went to London Drugs even, and they didn't have it, so I had to get it. Like I had to get it. This is called the Maybelline New York Sky High Glitter Mascara. Yup, glitter mascara. So we have the Sky High. I saw tons of different Sky High products in the store. I don't know why I keep going like this, like clock it. But this one is specifically the glitter mascara. You guys buy. Apparently, allegedly, this is what your lashes are gonna look like. Let's open it. I don't believe it. So it looks like this. I forget how much this was. It was definitely under 20 bucks with like shipping and the product itself. So it says Sky High, Maybelline, New York, and the packaging is sparkly. If you can see, that's very subtle. So I'm hoping that's not like a, I want it to be like, if you're doing a glitter mascara, make it glitter. Like literally make it glitter. So, oh, that's not what I was expecting. Okay, it smells like a mascara. Here's what the wand looks like. I wonder if we can like go like that. Okay, that's glittery. I was gonna say like thumbs up if you guys want a review, or let me know if you want a review, but one, I probably won't remember. And then two, I probably won't do it. Because you guys know me, so I'm just gonna include it in here, right here. Am I gonna risk these false lashes? Yes, I am. Okay. Girl. Oh my god, I did not risk these at all. Like, that is gorgeous. Oh my god, I should have done this at the beginning of this video. These are not ruined at all. I can like layer it and coat it. Hold on, let me zoom you guys in more. Oh my god, who wants to wait for a review? Like, if I get mad at people being like, go to part 2, like that's pretty much like a part 2, and then I never do it. It's like frosted tips. I feel like, let it go, and then from far away it still looks cute. Okay, it shows up on camera too. Oh my god, this is so cute. Bye. So I hope this is glittery. May the future be on my side. Okay, this I am so excited for. I have my trusty little scissors here. I know you can like tear this, but it never works for me. Bye. Okay, so I got this. This was like 20 bucks. It's Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful. This is the brand right here. Hyzers. Hyzr-Z. Enjoy the little things. And she's like, I don't know what she's pointing at. Like, enjoy the little things, maybe. Okay, so I have been wanting an apron for quite a while now, and I wanted, of course, a cute one. I think I have like a Hello Kitty one, but I never use it. I don't know, it just fits me a little weird, but it's cute to like have in the house. Like, I'll never get rid of it. I wanted just one for like if I'm doing like a TikTok, or if I'm cooking for you guys on the vlog channel. I'm not saying I'm gonna use this all the time. And just like if I'm wearing a cute outfit and I want to make something, like this is so cute. You can't say this isn't the cutest thing ever. I turned down my brightness a bit because I felt like my brightness was a little high, but now I feel like it's low. I don't know, this new ring light I just got like not even a month ago, it's not the greatest. It was like $60. I don't like it as much as my other one. It's like not bright, and it's up all the way. Like, this is as bright as it goes, and my other one I feel like was brighter, so I'm sorry about that. I had my natural window open, but again, it's cloudy outside, so that's cool. So whatever, I know you guys can see, so that's that's the main part. But look at the detailing on here. Look at this, it's so cute. The little lace with the pink. It's very like dolly type, like I'm a cute little doll. And I love the fact that it has a pocket right here, so if I want to like put my spatula in it or something like that, or my phone even, I don't even know. And it's not too long, and it's not too like wide. Wish I could say me. And it's just cutesy. It's like frilly, and I just want like a very like small, it's like very compact apron that I can just like throw, I don't know, in somewhere in my kitchen. Like, it's cute, okay? It's very like social media-y, so needed her. Okay, that was $22.99 with free shipping, so it's not that bad. Okay, then I got this package that has like my information all over it, like every direction, so this package here. This, I don't even know, like you guys, whenever I see like a viral TikTok that's like, you need to buy this, and people are like, oh, go on TikTok shop. Okay, well in Canada, we don't have TikTok shop. I've never even seen TikTok shop before. This is what it looks like. So I got this on Amazon again. This was like $10. Okay, how do I open this? Where do I go? I'm like so stupid. The TikTok that I saw, they were like, this is like a trending mascara in, this is not how you open it. Well, what the hell? I think that is how you open it. Oh no, it is. Okay. They were like, this is the trending like top mascara in Mexico. This is like what I saw on this TikTok. It's not what I said. This is what was on TikTok. Clearly I've been on like makeup mascara feed. Oh my, this is actually insane. And they said it's only like a couple dollars. So me buying it in Canada, it was like about 10, but still like that's a pretty good price. And they said it's unbelievable. Tell me if I'm wrong. I think it was Jeffree Star that also reviewed it. And the packaging isn't the greatest. Like it was like this, like it's not really like eye-catching packaging, but this mascara apparently was like legendary. Like legendary. So it's called Prosa mascara. The packaging sucks, bro. But like it's what's inside that counts, allegedly. Formula to extend and give volume. And it has a, like a little cute little, oh, that's the Prosa logo right there. And then when you open it, let's look at it together. Let's zoom you in. Okay, there she is. I love the pink though, that's cute. Let's see. I've had this actually for about a month and I haven't even opened it. Okay, the thick consistency. It smells very like Play-Doh-ish, but like not in a bad way. Mascara isn't supposed to smell great. That smells very different than the glitter one. The glitter one smells like more like chemicals scent, and this one smells more like, I want to say natural, but like I don't even know what I'm trying to say. But this one, like look at the wand, how like big and juicy that is. Like look at how and it's also like kind of short and fat, me. And then the consistency too is quite thick. Oh, and it's like, it really takes off a lot. Like it's really kind of hard to, this is why I don't review makeup, because I'm like, really kind of like, it smells like Play-Doh, like, but not like, shut the fuck up. But this is amazing and I can't wait to try it. Is it amazing? I don't know. The next item I am so happy for. Austin bought this for me. I don't know actually where he got it from. He surprised me with it and I've already looked at it, but I put it back in the packaging because I want you guys to see it. But it is, look it. This is a shirt. It's an oversized shirt that I love wearing like to bed or just like editing and stuff like that. You guys know I live in like baggy tees, like I love them so much. So this is like a men's extra large and it is Cooper there, and it's a very good picture of him. It's when he was healthy, he could see, and it's just good memories. He just was fresh out of the dog groomers, and I'm just so happy to have this as a shirt. It's not like the greatest quality, but it doesn't matter because it's what the sentimental value is. Like honestly, like this is so amazing for me to have on a shirt. Like right here, it's really good. I'm just like low-key kind of scared to wash it. That's what this shirt is. It's just like a basic black tee, but the tee is actually nice. I think Austin just like searched putting an image on a shirt. Like there's probably like, honestly, probably thousands of websites to do this. So like, don't ask me where it's from because you can get it like anywhere, right? But I thought this was such a nice gesture and I just like sobbed when I got it. By the way, I am doing much better. I am doing, like obviously I will never ever, I hate the words get over it. Like I hate that, or like move on. I hate that. You can move forward, but I will never move on. I'm at the point now where I don't like start bawling every time like I see him or talk about him, but that doesn't mean I'm not grieving still and will for the rest of my life, and I won't ever stop thinking about him every single day, every single time when I go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. I literally touch the spot where he would lay and I just like say, like I would say to myself, or sometimes I say out loud, I say, love you, Coop. That's just something I do every time I go to pee in the middle of the night, just to remember him and keep his memory alive. So I am doing good. I'm in a way better place, but there's no like timeline on grieving and when you should expect to move forward. I hate the move on. Somebody said to me, have you gotten over Coop yet? What do you mean? Like who says it like that? And they were like, oh, I didn't mean it like that. And I'm like, okay, what? It's just like, I don't know, just like wordings is like, I know it's hard to like talk to somebody that's, you know, lost a pet or anyone in your life. Like it's very hard. Some people don't know how to talk to people that have lost a loved one, and I totally get that. But there are certain words and phrases that are like, I don't know. But that's a whole different topic for a whole different video, but this is just a happy thing. I love you, Coop. Miss you so much. And the cutie army misses you so much too. We love you, Cooper. Woo! We love you, You look so gorgeous. Okay, then in this bag here, I took this out of the packaging already and I opened it because I was so curious. There's this matcha and I got this on Amazon as well. This one was kind of pricey, I think. I think this was like $40, but it's a huge thing of matcha and it's organic Japanese matcha tea powder. I've been like waiting. So it's ideal for baking, smoothies, tea, lattes, and it literally looks like, oh my God, so look. I wanted to show you this. That's why I didn't open it. Like, it looks like I'm literally going to Mexico to like smuggle. I'm not gonna open this because you guys know what matcha tea powder looks like, but I haven't tried it yet, so I can't recommend it. Or the reviews, this was like one of the most highest rated reviewed matcha on Amazon, and it says like the benefits. I love matcha. I don't just drink it because of the health benefits or because of it's trending. I think it's like trendy right now. Honestly, I drink it because I love it. Like, I love the flavor of matcha and everything. Those recipes, I'm like, give them to me now. But yeah, I like to just make a matcha like with oat milk, my fave, or to put it in like Greek yogurt. I also love. That's like really it. Or sometimes I'll just put a little bit in some hot water and then have it like that. It's not as good. I prefer like the oat matcha lattes, but yeah, this is amazing. Do you guys like matcha? What's your favorite matcha brand? Like, leave them down below because my brother just recently tried matcha and he's like in love with it. And me and my mom were like surprised because we didn't think he would love it. But he's like looking for like the perfect matcha. He wants like a strong, like, you know, like a very earthy matcha. Like, he wants like matcha. Leave your recommendations down below, besties. My hair is like herring today, probably because I washed it. Okay, this is exciting, and I ordered 2 of them, different ones. So I don't know if they're both in here or if the other one, oh, I feel that they're both in here. My millennial babies are gonna be like, oh my God, how to tear open? No, we're just gonna cut it. How to tear open? No. I recently saw somebody wearing one of these and I was like, holy shite cakes. I wore these all the time growing up. Oh, they're both in here. Okay, good, good, good. Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay. These Italian charm bracelets. Who remembers these? I am so excited. So I had an Italian charm bracelet when I was a kid and I'm so upset because I don't know where it could have possibly went. This one, okay, I just wanted like a starter one. So I'll show you. This is if you don't know what it is. So a lot of people do know what these are. And it's basically like, oh my God, I don't even remember how to do it. But this one's a stainless steel one. So I wanted a starter one and then I wanted some charms. I know it was kind of expensive to do. And I like to buy like the single charms. Whenever I went to the mall, me and my mom had like, not matching ones, but we both had one, and we would go to the mall, and that would be like my treat. Like if I got like an A on a test or something like that, or if I did really well, or if I did good in the week, or if I like obeyed, you know what I mean? Let's see if I remember from memory here. Like you go like this, and then you, yup, I still remember. Can I even put it back in? Yeah, so you slide it up. Okay, do you see that? Here you just like, they are like individual like charms and you just, oh my God, hold on. This is hard because of my nails to show you, but like see how I'm like sliding this up and there's like a hook? So you just slide that up and then you hook it on there. So that's how you take off and add charms. So it fits everyone because you can take off like a bunch of charms or you can add more. So this one that I got was like the highest rated on Amazon. And because I want to wear it like daily because I've been wearing my Pandora every day and my engagement ring every day. So I want to wear more like bracelets every day. Maybe not on the same hand, maybe. I don't know. We'll see how we'll see how it looks and what charms I put on it. With the starter pack, these are the charms it came with. There are a few of them that are actually cute. Like, I like some of them. I like the seeing eye. The flowers are really adorable. Some of them are just like tacky. You might like them, but I don't know. And then, so these are the other ones. I love this one. I love the hearts. But I just basically wanted it because it was a high rated one and I wanted to wear it every day. That wasn't gonna like stain or, I don't know, just, oh my God, the butterflies are amazing. Then, okay, there's this like tool here that it came with too to like change them out, but I just remembered that from like my core memory how to open this up. So I'm like, you guys probably care about how much it is. So anyway, so when we would go to the mall, the sun is like going in and out. So I'm so sorry about this freaking lighting situation. I wish the freaking ring light was good. Okay, this one is $29.99 with $5 delivery. So it was like $35 for this plus all these charms plus the, I won't need this, but in case I do. I think that's pretty good. So I don't know how much they were like when I was a kid or anything like that. Probably around the same price. Like I feel like everywhere sold them in the middle of the mall. But anyways, they would always sell like these individual charms and like Claire sold like Care Bear ones and like, oh, there were so many different, there was like TY ones and like, Oh my god, I just wish that I had my old one. I remember I had an American flag because I loved the United States when I was a kid. Like I had like United States earrings and like charms and stuff like that. I don't know why I was like so obsessed with the States. Like whenever like I was good as a kid or did good, then when we would go to the mall, I got to pick out a charm and add it to my bracelet. But where the hell is that bracelet? I'm gonna text my mom. I'm gonna show her this when I go for Easter supper. I'm gonna show her this. But anyways, here are the charms that I got. Oh no! Okay, I'm gonna wait for the light to go away. These are the next ones that I got. These are absolutely gorgeous. These are $26.53, and then the shipping was $5. So it was about like $60, $70 for these two things, but there's just like a whole bunch of charms in here. I really just wanted some dangly ones, some cutesy ones. I don't know where I'm supposed to get other ones other than Amazon, but they had them only in like multi-packs, so I couldn't find any. Sorry, I just moved around. I have just moved to the corner here. It's way better lighting over here, like goodbye. The lighting wasn't it, so I'm sorry. Look at this. Look at this. Like these are so cute. Look at this. Look at these. These are so adorable. Like it's just sparkles in the right way too. It's like PiinkSparkles. I love these like iridescent ones. Like I just want my whole charm bracelet to be this. Well, I've almost showed them all, so I'm just gonna show you guys the rest. Like why not? These ones I'm not really a fan of. And this little lucky star. And this also came with one of these like spoon things for it as well. So now I have two of those. A tool size. That's what it looks like that. Okay, girl. I'm so excited to start wearing that. Oh my god, the lighting is so much better over here. I should have just started over here. I apologize. I've been blabbing for way too long, so I'm gonna let you guys go now. Thank you guys so much for watching this haul, and if you guys want to see more hauls and more stuff that I bought, give this a thumbs up so I know you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys! Have a great day! Mwah! Remember to be nice to each other. Mwah.